A three-judge panel heard arguments today over whether former President Donald Trump should be immune from prosecution for his actions leading up to the January 6th Capitol attack.
The former president appeared in court today. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest.
A tense face-off today as former President Trump sat across a D.C. courtroom from special counsel Jack Smith, seeking to have the federal election interference case against him thrown out. The Trump legal team arguing the former president should have absolute immunity from prosecution because he was acting within his official presidential duties when he tried to overturn the results of the 2020 election, culminating in the January 6th Capitol attack.
A president has to have immunity. And the other thing is I did nothing wrong.
Appearing before a panel of 3 federal appeals court judges, Mr. Trump's lawyers argued it would dampen a president's power to make controversial decisions if he or she had to worry about future prosecution.
Your Honor, to authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box from which this nation may never recover.
But the judges, 2 appointed by President Biden, 1 by former President George H.W. Bush, appeared skeptical, repeatedly pressing the Trump team over the limits of their arguments, including the assertion that a president could only be prosecuted if he were first impeached and found guilty by the Senate.
Could a president who ordered SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival who was not impeached, would he be subject to criminal prosecution?
If he were impeached and convicted first.
So your answer is no.
My answer is qualified yes.
Prosecutors flatly reject the absolute immunity argument.
The president has a unique constitutional role, but he is not above the law.
And they maintain that the allegations against Mr. Trump, including scheming to enlist fake electors, are far from a president's official duties. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.